Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm going to.
17, 649
Come here.
Logan Avenue.
No.
The son sitting in the car with 8-year-old
Come here.
granddaughter. Said she's screaming. Background screaming going on.
Come here.
Said he keeps saying the 8-year-old said she's like, where's the gift?
Yeah. I'm not getting it. But I do.
You got experience?
Yes. Just gotta keep his face away from me.
We'll take that ball drone you got.
Maybe. I don't know. If you do, just go straight underneath his belly and rub your hand right to the center of his breastbone so you can keep his face flying away. Come here, baby. Grab it, grab it. Keep her, keep her, keep her. Hey, all she'll do is scream. She'll just scream.
Hey, tase him, hey. Officer, tase him. Just to y'all's arrest.
Do you mind if we take this baggie here? Oh, thank you. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, that would have worked. Ooh, there's a bunch of landmines around here. She's doing that drug. Yeah, they're smart. Ooh, wouldn't be a bad way to get her there. Can you get her out front? Come here. Now you messed up, huh? Come here. Grab her by the tail if you can. Come here.
Coming out to you.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't let her out the back. Don't let her out the back. There she goes. Look at the pot-bellied pig. Yeah. If you can kind of close in, we'll close her up against that wall.
About 1664, getting your emergency banner. Some officer Higgins.
Make yourself real wide.
Your emergency banner.
We need a board. I got plywood or something. She's like, wait a second, I've been here before. No. No. Let her find that food. Let her find that food. Not that food. I want to hug you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get our fiddle.
Come here. 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 Shh. Shh. You're all right. Look, look, look. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Come.
Officer, what's this big B charged with? Homicide.
Homicide, yeah. There you go.